How to remove white background from an image in Google Slides. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's say we have this image inserted over here, then another image. Now as you can see, if I want to put this image in this image or inside this bowl, this white background overrides our image. So we will have to go to this website called remove.bz, where we will have to upload our image, and it will remove the background for us. Simply save that image, filtered image, and you can use it in your Google Slides. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.